João,
Yeah.
tell me, what are you building?
We're building this little game called Arena Mayhem. And it's an automatic battler where you can create and build your own gladiators and set them to fight against other gladiators. So you can set in their specific stats like how much attack and how much defense they have. And then you can add some nice tweaks like the weapon they're using. And this gives them advantages and disadvantages against other fighters. We run the whole battle in the Cartesi machine. And once we do it, we can animate it and the users can bet on which gladiator they think they will win. And so that's the game.
What characteristic of the Cartesi machine are you leveraging?
For our app to work, we need some reasonable amount of computing, and doing it in Solidity wouldn't work as well. This way, for us to calculate the outcome of the battle, which can have some complicated math in it, we need a more powerful machine, so the Cartesi machines work for that.